Xiaomi Power Bank. The Redmi 20,000 mAh power bank is a high-capacity portable charging device, designed to keep your devices powered up on the go. With a sleek and compact design, this power bank can easily fit in your pocket or bag, making it ideal for travel, outdoor activities, or everyday use. The Redmi power bank features a massive 20,000 mAh battery capacity, allowing you to charge your devices multiple times before needing to recharge the power bank itself. It comes equipped with two USB-A output ports that support 18W fast charging, allowing you to charge two devices simultaneously at high speeds. The power bank is also equipped with a USB-C input port, which enables fast charging and allows you to recharge the power bank in just a few hours. Additionally, the power bank features a low-power mode that can be activated by double-pressing the power button, which is ideal for charging low-power devices such as Bluetooth headphones or smartwatches. The Redmi 20,000 mAh power bank is also designed with safety in mind. It features advanced circuitry and multiple protection mechanisms to prevent overcharging, over-discharging, and short-circuiting, ensuring the safety of both your devices and the power bank itself. Overall, if you're looking for a high-capacity, fast-charging, and safe power bank, the Redmi 20,000 mAh power bank is a great choice. With its sleek design, massive battery capacity, and advanced safety features, it's a reliable and convenient power solution for all your charging needs.